Hi there. In this Python tutorial, you will be learning all you need to know to start Python programming. This Python programming is for those who want to start from scratch and have no prior learning or experience in this field. One question that comes to everyone's mind is why Python? Python is the best programming language which is used for AI, web development, machine learning, and many other purposes. The codes are quite easy to understand and does not have any technical jargons in it, and the library is an open library. First, we will be installing the Python software. For that, we will be opening a web browser, typing Python in it, and opening python.org open library. We will be moving to downloads, and for whatever software you are using, either Windows or Mac, you will be downloading accordingly the latest version of Python. After that, you will be downloading an integrated development environment. There are various forms of integrated development environment that are available. I prefer to use Pycharm as it is quite bright and easy to use. This is the window of Pycharm which we will be using for writing codes. We will be starting with the basics. To enter the comments, we always use the hash function in order to make the code easier to understand. We use hash simultaneously while writing the codes so that it becomes quite easy for the reader of the code to understand what is written in the codes. We will be starting with the data type. In Python programming, there are four types of data that are available. That is string, float, integer, and a boolean. We will also be understanding what a variable is. A variable is something that has been assigned a particular data type. So we'll start with a string. Let's suppose x is a variable and the string is current. So this is how a string is written in the code, and x is the variable. In order to see the output in the Python framework, we will be using the print function. We will be running the program by clicking on this button, and that's how the string appears on the Python framework. Now suppose if we say y has been assigned a value of -1 and we print y, you see there is an integer that has been now made available in the Python framework. For a float, which is always represented as a decimal, we will be printing z in order to see how it appears on the Python framework. That's how it appears. A boolean is always in the form of true or false. Always remember, in a boolean, the first letter T is always uppercase, or false is always F with an uppercase F. Otherwise, it will always show error. Now, if suppose if I have written V is equal to 2, then it will show error because this data type is not a boolean. We will be moving to operators that are available in the Python program. First is our addition, then is our subtraction operator, then is the multiplication operator, then is the exponential operator, then is the division operator, then is the floor division operator, and finally we have the modulo operator. The floor division operator gives us the rounded value to the lower part, and the modulo operator gives us the remainder of the equation. So if we say x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3, and we write x print x plus y print x minus y print x divided by y print x floor division y print x modulo y print x multiplication with y. When you see the output, you see all the values that have been given. Now we can at once assign multiple variables by using this format. We see x, the code will always run from the start till the end. So whatever we have written up till now will be run. And we see that x is equal to 1, then y is equal to 2, and z is equal to 3. So at once also we can assign all the values. We can also check the data type of the program, of the code, by using the data type function. So if we say a is equal to 1, b is equal to true, c is equal to 1.5, we can use print type a, print type b, print type c. Never ever leave space bars on the side, as it can cause indentation error, like the one we are observing right now. You see, indentation error. So it shows that the first one is a class integer, then the second one is a class boolean, and the third one is class float. All the codes that I am using in the video will be available on my GitHub page. Thank you.